Hello, this is how to change the wallpaper on your Fitpro Watch 8 Ultra, C800 or T800 smartwatch. The first step is to connect the watch to your phone using the Fitpro application. If you have already done that, you can skip the video to 1 minute 15 seconds. Download and install the Fitpro application. Turn on Bluetooth and location on your smartphone. Open the Fitpro application and follow the steps as shown on the screen to connect the watch to your phone. Now, follow the steps as shown in the video to change your wallpaper to any picture from your phone. As you can see, the wallpaper has been successfully updated on my smartwatch. Here is a playlist on all the different settings and tricks on this smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.